Alright, today we are making microwave plasma. For this we are going to need some soda bottle caps, a piece of cork, and a toothpick. Now I've broken this toothpick in half. We also need a glass jar. In this case I'm using a beaker. It's a little bit more stable. I'm going to take the toothpick and put it in the cork, like so. I'm going to set the cork in the middle of the microwave with the bottle caps around it. The bottle caps are to keep the beaker off the bottom of the microwave. And I'm going to go ahead and light the toothpick. Okay. And put this on here like so. I'm going to start the microwave for just a few seconds at a time, not for very long. And there you have plasma.